What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk some Fetch.AI. We've seen a little consolidation pattern, but now this is being viewed as an accumulation zone, as a lot of traders out there looking at $350 million in profits. So let's talk some AI crypto. Let's look into FET, and I'll show you guys what's going on with the price right here, right now. But before we do, make sure you guys all subscribe right down below to the channel. Totally free to do so. We talk crypto every single day. Love to have you part of the team, and let's get down into it, okay? And I do want to share with you guys kind of briefly what we're doing here on the charts. Let's look up into FET and see where we are at right here, right now, all right? Overall, crypto has been in the green. We just turned green. It's been a little bit of a run up. We've seen a lot of cryptos, SWI and SAY, both having extreme days, 16 and almost 10% as we look into what's happening right here, right now. But as we look into FET, okay, and now you can refer to that as the ASI Alliance. It's basically flat, almost 1% on the day, but pretty strong week despite having a 26.2% downturn in the red over the last month. But over the past 365 days, 338%. So this is one where a lot of crypto traders have been making some pretty big gains. I mean, you can't really deny that, especially when we were trading at about 20 cents and now trading hands at $3.09. This has paid off for a lot of people who bought the dip. And let's get back into the comments and kind of what you need to know about FET right here on the channel, okay? And also, I do want to segue into today's channel sponsor. If you do any kind of leverage trading, I have a link down below for Margex. There's no KYC. You get a discount on fees by using my link, and you can register to claim up to $10,000 in bonuses just by signing up today with Margex. So make sure you do your own research and due diligence. Make sure Margex is the right platform for you, and by all means, get started trading today, okay? But back into the ASI, this is what we want to talk about, okay? And what the Alliance's next move is. Right now, at a price of 85 cents, we are under the resistance of the 90 cents level that has been holding kind of us back. Now, I use the global in and out of the money to kind of really look into some of the metrics and kind of the data with the holders, right? It's a very good metric to use, brought to you by Into and Out of the Money. This is something where we look into the block even further. You can see how there's almost over 350 million, a little under actually, $350 million of holders that could see profits. Okay, so if we got to 86 to $1.19, that would turn all of that supply bought between that range completely profitable if FET would hit $1.20. That's going to be big news, right? And that's where we have to really worry about selling pressure. If holders decide to sell out of those levels and take those profits, or if we hold the line and continue to move up. Now, it's not too far out of the realistic, the aspirations of FET, but at the same time, it is kind of a ways away that we may see some, delay in that profit taking, okay? But there's another metric that we want to look into that has this accumulation zone kind of more bullish, is that the MVRV, the market value to realized value, is evaluating the profit and loss for investors. And right now we're at negative 22%. That signals a lot of losses and potential buying pressure. So, historically, we talk about the MVRV at around 11 to 24% negatively. That will typically be the precursor that begins a lot of rallies within crypto. And that's why this area of accumulation is otherwise known as an opportunity zone. So, will FET continue to break barriers? I wanted to share with you guys this data because, like I said, if we get up to that $1.20 level, okay, and we hit that price level, there will be $350 million that would be currently in profit. So that's a big update. So for you guys holding ASI out there, if you believe in AI crypto, it's going to be a very bullish ride. But right now at these levels, the demand is not strong enough to get back to $1, in my opinion. So we're going to continue to accumulate in this consolidation zone, but we need to talk about what would happen if we do break out and see more bullishness along the way. So thank you all for watching. Appreciate you guys. Like I said, make sure you check out the links down below for Margex, and remember to subscribe on your way out. But I appreciate you guys all watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.